Calming meditation for anxiety, cultivating self-compassion and acceptance-centric. The power of self-compassion. Welcome to this calming meditation journey designed to help you manage anxiety through self-compassion and acceptance. Anxiety is a common experience, but it doesn't have to control your life. Meditation offers a powerful way to soothe your mind, reconnect with your body, and cultivate a kinder relationship with yourself. In this video, we'll explore how self-compassion can transform your approach to anxiety and guide you through a gentle meditation practice to help you find peace and acceptance. Now, watch the video and learn more about calming meditation for anxiety, cultivating self-compassion and acceptance. Understanding anxiety and self-compassion. Anxiety is a natural response to stress, but when it becomes overwhelming, it can affect your mental and physical health. Symptoms may include racing thoughts, restlessness, difficulty concentrating, and physical tension. The role of self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. It helps you acknowledge your struggles without judgment and fosters emotional resilience. Why self-compassion works for anxiety. It reduces self-criticism, which often exacerbates anxiety. It encourages acceptance of your emotions, creating space for healing and growth. The meditation practice. In this guided meditation, you'll learn to focus on your breath, use deep calming breaths to anchor yourself in the present moment. Practice soothing affirmations. Repeat kind and supportive phrases to yourself, such as, "I am enough," or "I am safe in this moment." Visualize calmness. Imagine a peaceful place or a warm, comforting light surrounding you. Notice body sensations. Gently observe any tension or discomfort and allow it to release with each exhale. This practice is designed to help you feel grounded, calm, and connected to your inner self. Integrating self-compassion into daily life. Start small. Begin each day with a moment of self-compassion, such as saying a kind word to yourself or taking a few deep breaths. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that nourish your mind and body, like journaling, walking in nature, or enjoying a warm bath. Challenge negative thoughts. When anxious thoughts arise, gently remind yourself that it's okay to feel this way and that you're doing your best. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Closing, continued practice, and resource key takeaways. Anxiety is a natural response, but self-compassion can help you manage it effectively. Regular meditation practice can create a sense of calm and acceptance. Integrating self-compassion into your daily life fosters resilience and emotional well-being. Continue your practice. Set aside a few minutes each day for meditation or self-reflection. Be patient with yourself. Progress takes time. Additional resources. Explore meditation apps like Calm or Headspace. Read books like Self-Compassion by Dr. Sten Ekberg. Join online communities or local groups focused on mindfulness and mental health. Conclusion: anxiety doesn't have to define your life. By practicing calming meditation for anxiety and cultivating self-compassion, you can create a sense of peace and acceptance within yourself. Remember, you are worthy of kindness and care. Start your journey today and take the first step toward a calmer, more compassionate life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more mindfulness and wellness content. Together, let's embrace self-compassion and build a life filled with peace and acceptance.